Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. In our previous session, we have gone through the first three passages of our lesson, patriotism. This is the second unit of our textbook. Today we shall discuss the last two passages. First, we shall go through the basic themes of the lesson. The first theme of the lesson is spirit of patriotism needed for the protection of our culture and civilization. Need of patriotism in the coming time in the wake of foreign invasion. Whenever there comes an attack from foreign countries or from other countries, we must have the spirit of patriotism. Quaid-e-Azam is a great nation builder and patriot. Quaid-e-Azam, who gave us a sense of identity, he is a real patriot because he has led us towards one goal, towards one nation, and to protect the culture and civilization of our country. And the next theme is other heroes of Pakistan history. Some of the heroes of Pakistan history are also highlighted in this lesson. Patriotism, and the last theme of this lesson is patriotism. It is a living passion. It must remain in our hearts every time, wherever we go. This seems to be in our hearts. Now, moving towards the passage number 4 of our lesson. The spirit of patriotism makes us stay alert in the wake of foreign invasion. In the history of Pakistan, there are many instances when people lay down their lives for the defense of the country. In the wars of 1965, 1971 and the Kargil War, many brave soldiers gave their lives in an attempt to protect the homeland. Captain Muhammad Hussain, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfuz, Captain Colonel Sher Khan, Havaldar Lalak Jan, all embraced martyrdom while fighting bravely for their motherland. All of them were awarded Nishan-e-Haider, the highest military award given to great patriots who lay down their lives for the country. Now, let's have a review of the difficult words and the meanings. Invasion, made, attack, made to occupy. Instances, examples, lay down their lives, sacrifice their lives, attempt, effort, embraced, accepted, martyrdom, death for principles or religion. So in this passage we see that the spirit of patriotism or love for the motherland is a unique and special feeling. The passion of patriotism makes us active and careful. We become active and careful when other countries attack us. Whenever there comes an attack from other countries, our brave army, our soldiers become ready, or they were alert to defend our country. There are many examples of people sacrificing their lives for our country. In the wars of 1965, 1971 and the Kargil War, many of our brave military officers and soldiers sacrificed their lives for the country. The names of Captain Muhammad Sarwar, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfuz, Captain Colonel Sher Khan, Havaldar Lalak Jan, Pilot Officer Rashid Minhas, Major Muhammad Akram, Major Shabir Shaheed, Captain Colonel Sher Khan and many others. All these brave soldiers fought bravely for their country. They sacrificed and accepted martyrdom. On their bravery and gallantry, they were given the highest military award, the award of our forces, Nishan-e-Haider. It is a great award offered to such brave person of our history. Moving towards the next passage, that is the last passage of this lesson. Patriotism, therefore, is just a feeling. It is a life spirit that continuously inspires and guides a nation. In the words of S.W. Scott, a man devoid of patriotic spirit is like the one who breathes there, the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, "This is my own, my native land." Now we have a review of the difficult words. Living, continuously, endlessly, inspires, activates, spiritually, devoid of, without, lack of something, breathes there, so dead. Is there any person breathing or living who should inside him is so dead that he is like a dead person? has native land, the land of birth or the homeland. So here in these lines, the living spirit for motherland is highlighted. So patriotism is not only a feeling alone, it is also a living passion. It remains with a person until he is alive. It all the times activates and guides us as a nation. S. W. Scott describes a person without this passion, the feelings of love for his motherland. This person's soul or inner being is dead and gone, although he is living in this country, but he never calls his country of birth his own motherland. He never calls his country that he is living in his motherland. So a person should have the feelings of love for his motherland, then he is called a real patriot. Now come to the basic or the review of this lesson. The spirit of patriotism makes us stay alert. Makes us stay alert means that we should be ready to defend our country whenever there comes any problem or difficult situation. Many Pakistani heroes were awarded highest military award, Nishan-e-Haider, as they embraced martyrdom. Many pilot officers and soldiers while fighting for the cause of Islam, while fighting for their country, they embraced Shahadat or martyrdom, and they were awarded Nishan-e-Haider. A person, and in the last paragraph we have read about a person who doesn't have the feeling of patriotism. A person who lacks spirit of patriotism is a person with a dead soul, that he cannot be called a real patriot, or either he is called unpatriotic. So in short, today we need patriotism more and more. We want love for the country and devotion to it flowing into our plans and actions. Whenever we decide something, it should be for our country and for its progress. They will make us think and work patriotically. The country and nation will rise above the clouds. This is the end of our second session of this unit. If you have any question, you can ask through WhatsApp group. Thank you.